Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can read from the title, ये vlog होने वाला है थोड़ा informative और मैं यहाँ पे आ चुकी हूँ दोबारा से अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी के पास वाली लेक के पास because I wanted to shoot this vlog. So yes, start करते हैं video. First I'll tell you my experience and then we just go around talk about how it can be even better for you, where you can get the student loan from. So yeah, let's start the video. मुझे पता है कि स्टूडेंट लोन का सारा प्रोसेस होता है कि इट कैन बी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट एंड इट्स अ बिट स्ट्रेसफुल बिकॉज समझ नहीं आ रहा होता कितने टाइम में मिलेगा, स्टूडेंट लोन मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, कौन गारंटर होगा और कोलैटरल मिलेगा नॉन कोलैटरल मिलेगा, क्या एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया होगा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं आई नो. एंड लाइक इवन आई हैड टू टेक एजुकेशन लोन और मेरे साथ तो ऐसे हुआ था. आई हैड माई वीज़ा अपॉइंटमेंट, उससे 2 दिन पहले मेरी डिसबर्समेंट हुई थी एजुकेशन लोन की एंड देन आई हैड टू गेट इट ट्रांसफर टू माई ब्लॉक्ड अकाउंट. फिर वो बिल्कुल लास्ट मिनट पे मेरा जाके ब्लॉक्ड अकाउंट कन्फर्मेशन आया, फिर वो लेके गई मैं नेक्स्ट डे अपॉइंटमेंट के लिए. सो बहुत लास्ट में हुआ था एंड आई वॉज सो क्लोज टू गेटिंग अ पर्सनल लोन. एंड एक्चुअली मुझे पर्सनल लोन 2 जगह से तो कंप्लीटली वेरीफाई भी हो गए थे कि ठीक है आपको तो बस मिल जाएगा, आपको बस हाँ करनी है और नेक्स्ट डे इट विल बी इन योर अकाउंट. But then if you take personal loan, then you have to pay installment from the next month. I mean, obviously, who prefers that, right? I know it's very, very stressful sometimes and it takes a lot of time for the people who want to know a bit more about education loans. So education loans are for the students who are either studying in their own country or are going abroad. And जो तुम्हें पैसे होते हैं वो तुम्हें बाद में पे करने होते हैं. जो मेन इंस्टॉलमेंट्स होती हैं वो तुम्हारी बाद में स्टार्ट होती है when you start earning, when you have a job. So like you have the option to either start paying like after your course directly when you get a job, or like you get a time period. Like for me, even I have a loan, तो मेरे पास भी ऐसे 1 year है and after my course and I have 1 year and then I start paying, so I have the option. मेरे केस में भी जो मैंने बताया कि इतना स्ट्रेस हो गया था ये वो, तो मुझे इतनी बढ़िया कंपनी के बारे में नहीं पता जो कि मुझे अभी रिसेंटली पता लगा है एंड इट्स कॉल्ड ज्ञान धन. सो अब हम बात करेंगे ज्ञान धन के बारे में. When I was searching for a loan myself, I was very confused where to go. Should I go for banks? क्योंकि banks take more time. जो public banks होते हैं वो तो बहुत time लेते हैं. Private banks में फिर भी जल्दी हो जाता है. So ज्ञान धन has partnered with various lenders, including banks, NBFCs, and international lenders to provide students with access to the best loan options available. I know that we have a lot of questions when we are trying to get a loan. Even I had so many questions when I was taking a loan. We want to know everything. We want to know if the interest rate is fine. We want to compare it everywhere. We want to know what exactly is needed. Gyan Dhan provides you end-to-end counseling. So they have a proper team of counselors who will tell you all the eligibility criteria or the whole education loan process and every doubt that you have with your education loan. They will sort it out. You'll get a person assigned to you as your counselor and they'll guide you throughout the whole process. So at Gyan Dhan, you will get personalized loan options. They actually like do a whole analysis of the student's profile, their financial status and the interest rate. So whatever interest rate is best for you, like they'll compare the bank, the NBFCs, and then they'll see what option is the best for you. They'll suggest you that, they'll discuss it with you, and then you can decide whatever is the best for you. And guys, the best thing is that Gyan Dhan is free of service. They don't charge anything. They're very transparent with their customers. They don't charge any kind of service charge or any fees from the students. Yeah, I mean, you'll get such a good service at no cost. So yeah, what's better, right? So at Gyan Dhan, you get very easy application process. They have a personalized document checklist according to every customer, and then they make sure that the whole process is very smooth. So at Gyan Dhan, they try to get your loan sanctioned and disbursed in the shortest amount of time. I think that it's the best if you get the education loan as soon as possible. So yeah, I think Gyan Dhan is doing a great job here. Guys, checking your loan eligibility is also so important, and if you haven't received your admission letter yet, it's so important to check your education loan eligibility as well, because then you'll have an idea how much loan are you eligible for and when are you gonna get it. So it's always good to know priorly how much education loan you might or might not get. And Gyan Dhan's loan eligibility AI tools helps you know if you're eligible or not. They make it so straightforward and so transparent. So for the students who have already applied elsewhere for the education loan, I would still suggest that you go to Gyandhan, check your eligibility there, because there you'll know what interest rates are they offering, and then you can compare. Because in the long run, when you're paying more interest, it's gonna get heavy on your pocket. So it's always better to check your options, and then you can finally make an informed financial decision. And guys, Gyandhan has already helped more than 15,000 students, and they have disbursed more than 5 crores. And I saw their reviews, and they're doing really good. I also checked their website, and I suggest you to also check their website, the reviews. So guys, this is their website. I'll also add the link to their website in my description. If you scroll down, you'll see a roadmap for your education loan, the whole process. And on this page, you'll find more information about the education loan for abroad studies, the key features, what all should you know, what all should you compare. You'll find all that information here. And if you want to see all of their lending partners, then you can go here and check the list of all their lending partners, be it banks, NBFCs, and international lending partners here. They also have this page where you can calculate your education loan EMIs by putting the loan amount, the course duration, the loan tenure, the rate of interest, and the grace period. It will show you how much the EMI will be. This is for all my subscribers. This is for you. Thank you. We are already a family of 4K, and I'm so grateful, so thankful. And for the people who have not subscribed, these are not for you. So go subscribe to my channel, and yeah, keep supporting as you do, and keep commenting, keep sharing, keep liking. Thank you. So yes guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked and found it a bit helpful, and make sure that you go and Gyandhan and their website and do apply and check your eligibility there, and I hope it helps you. And yeah, go subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. No. They are
You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound.